Welcome to my channel Tech Tic Tac Toe. Today we will learn about merge sort. We have learned about quick sort, bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort in our previous videos. Now we will learn about merge sort. Merge sort means merging two arrays. So first we have to divide the arrays in partition, then we will go merging the arrays. Now for example, this is an array and we first divide it into two parts, then we will again divide into two parts. So we have to divide the array until the length of the array is 1. So in this step the length of the array is 1. Now we will merge the arrays. So here we have to consider that if this one is greater than this, so this will be after that and this will be first, and here also in these two, if this one is smaller than this, so this will be first and this will be later. Now we have to merge these two arrays. So in this case first we have to compare this position with this position. Which one is smaller will be first added to the new array. Now this is inserted, so we will go further in this situation, and this is not inserted, so this will be here. So we will compare this one and this one. So this one is smaller than this one, so we will insert this. Now we increment this index, so this one is compared with this one, so this one is smaller than this one, so this will become next, and after that this will come. So in this way merge sort works. If one array is the length of one array is bigger than another array, then after finishing this array, the element of this array will be inserted in the new array. So let's see with the code. This is the code example. Now merge sort is a recursive function, so we are calling this function merge sort with this array. So if array length is greater than 1, so up to this, so we have to find the middle of the array. So array length of array divided by 2, and we are taking the floor value of this division. So length of this array by 2, so the length of array is 4 and divided by 2 is 2, so this is our mid. Now array of L, left array, equal to this array is 0 to mid, so 0 to mid. Then right array will be mid to length, so mid to length. Now again we are calling merge sort, so we are dividing this into this part, and merge sort R. So this array will be here, and we will continue this function until the array length of the array is 1. So after finishing this division, then in this function we have to do that the index I, j, k equal to 0. I equal to index of this left array, and j equal to index of right array, and k equal to index of the new array. So now we will continue this function. So this function with this if condition. So now we have to consider index of left array and index of right array, both of them are true. So up to length of this array means this array means this array. So both of this array have length, index of this I and j will be less than both of the array size. So if array length of I is less than equal to array length of j, so here new array k equal to ith value, otherwise this is not less than equal to this array, so we have to go in this step, else part. So k equal to array of j, and then again we will go into this loop and we will continue this to here, and this will end here. Again for this right array we will do the same thing. This left array, index of left array, element at the index of this array and element at the index of this array will be compared. If this one is smaller, this will come first, this one is smaller, this will come first. So this will also go in the else part. So this will come here, and then after the iteration this will come here. Now again for the next iteration of merge sort, these two arrays will be left and right, and here this will be compared with this. So this one is smaller, this will come first, and then again I is not incremented, j is incremented, so j is here and I is here. So here I is left array ith index, the value at left array ith index is smaller than the index of right array, so this will come later. So this will be compared with this, so this will become here, I will be incremented, then I will be here, this one is compared with this, so this will be here, and then this function is, this is completed. Now this will be, this will come here, and after one of the iteration, when one, if one of the if or else is function is complete, then k value is incremented, so this value will be incremented. So every time one of the value from this or this comes here, and the value of k is incremented to this position, this way. So now if the length of one array is greater than the length of another array and one array is completed, so here this array is completed up to this, so this loop breaks. This loop breaks. So length of I is, index of I is greater than the length of array, so this breaks and up to this, so 44 will not be included. To include the array, include the elements after this, we have to do this step. If index of length array left is less than length of the array, so here we have completed this array, so I is not less than this, so this will not happen here, but this will happen as j is less than array length of array right, so j is here, so we have to increment jth value, kth value, and we will put this value of right arrays j's value, j index value in this position. So if there are more element in this array, all of them will be included in this array with this loop. If this loop is, this array is greater than this, the size of this array is greater than this, so this loop will continue to insert element in the kth array. The time complexity of merge sort is O log n, n log n, big O, n log n. It is much more efficient than bubble sort or selection sort. So this way we can sort using merge sort. If you have any queries or need any detail, let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and share to your friend. Thank you for watching this video.